So the real reason that I love Michigan is because... Come on, you really thought I was going to tell you like the whole video in the first 10 seconds? Not happening. Last weekend, I went snowboarding for the first time in forever. Let's say that it was nothing like riding a bike. I was very bad. I've lived in Michigan for my entire life.
Yay, Andrew! First time skiing!
But just now, I'm coming to the realization that I love it here. So why do I love Michigan? Because of the Upper Peninsula, Michigan feels like two different states. You go from Detroit to Traverse City to Houghton. Those three places feel like totally different worlds. Also, if you live in Michigan and you've never been to the Upper Peninsula, you're fake as hell.
I'm sorry. Extremely sorry.
And for as much as we complain about the cold, it is nice to have seasons because sometimes when you go snowboarding, it's -5 degrees. What up, hogs? Woo-hoo! Hell yeah. As many of you know, Michigan is nicknamed the Great Lakes State because they have Great Lakes. And I was actually lucky enough to grow up living on a lake. In the summertime, we'd play outside and then boom, just go jump in the water, which is not something you can do everywhere. Actually, I think the best way for me to explain why I love Michigan is to talk about Florida. Remember how I said that here in Michigan, we swim in lakes all the time? And you can't swim in it. I mean, I guess you could swim in it, but there are these things called alligators. Maybe you're thinking, yeah, there are alligators in Florida, but like, how often do you actually see them? What the? Oh, dude. Ugh. I hate alligators. And seeing some guy like this in the water, it just like triggers some primal part of me that is like, that is a prehistoric predator that will kill you.
Summon the help of Scotland's local wizards to cast a protective spell over the lake and its local residents.
So now, the moment you've all been waiting. This is the real reason that I love Michigan. I love Michigan because it's not Florida. Maybe it's better put as I love Michigan because it's Michigan. Here in Michigan, there's no crazy animals. We're not gonna have a hurricane. And most importantly, when we go swimming in our lakes, there's no alligators. In Michigan, we know what bullshit we're gonna have to deal with. It's gonna be a long winter, it's gonna be cold, we're probably gonna be depressed. And these damn bumpy roads will never be fixed. But hey, at least it's not Florida. This video is not sponsored by Pure Michigan, although I think it probably should be. But run the risk-benefit analysis in your head of what is the worst possible thing that could go wrong in the state of Florida versus the state of Michigan. And as the world begins to end, I think Michigan is probably one of the best places to be. Wait, quick aside, if you have a bumper sticker that says, "Bitch, please, I'm from Detroit," you're not from Detroit. I'd be willing to bet all of my money that you're not from Detroit.
We found a way to win the day when we had to do it.